Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with Fowler Family Farm. So I thought I would head down here to the goat pasture, give you guys a full video of Cinnamon and her two new babies. They're both girls. I know I've done a short on Cinnamon's two babies, and then I put them in my last video where it's CD&T vaccine. I put them in there a little bit too, but this will be a full introduction video. And I'll also update you on the rest of the goats as well. Honestly, they're all doing really well. I couldn't ask for a better kidding season this year. They're all healthy. Even Starlight. She just runs all over the place. She's healthy as could be. She just doesn't have a real mom. So let's go in here and take a look at Cinnamon's babies. So before I get too far into Cinnamon's babies, I'll give you all a quick look at Starlight. Get out of here, crybaby. Crybaby wanted some airtime. So she's doing good. She likes us. She lets us pet her. Well, she's happy. She follows us around. Probably won't get any good video because she wants to be right under our feet. Okay, so let's go take a look at Cinnamon and her two babies. What do you think, girl? This one over here is trying to feed, but Cinnamon won't get up. Cinnamon, you want to let everybody see you feed the babies? Not right now, huh? So these two goats right here are bottle caps babies. And they're about 30, roughly 30 days older. 30, actually they are exactly 35 days older. Pretty big though. So if y'all remember, me and Tanya both thought that Cinnamon would have one big baby because she just wasn't very big. But she actually had two pretty decent sized twins. They're not on the small side. They're pretty good size for, for twins. That's your cousin. Megatron is the dad to these two. And Chip is the dad to that one and that cream colored one over there. This one here looks like Megatron. Pure white. It's like Megatron. And that one over there, of course, looks just like Cinnamon. They're little cuties, though. So I think we've already came up with 2 names for these two. Based off of Cinnamon, the white one's going to be called Sugar, and I think the brown one's going to be called Nutmeg. So Nutmeg and Sugar. May have been Nutmeg and Spice, I can't remember. But we got some of those names off of suggestions from some of the previous babies. But we try to stick true to the name of the mom as well. So Cinnamon is some sort of a spice, so that's kind of what these two need to be called as well. So that baby you're seeing there is Beauties. That was one of the very first babies. He's a brother. Him and his brother were twins. Very first twins born on the farm this year. And he was so small when he was born, because Beauty was just so small that he's not growing real fast, but he's healthy. The white one's trying to eat, I think. Okay, so the Nutmeg and Sugar, I don't think that is correct. I think Sugar is correct, but the brown one could be Cocoa. I can't remember. We have so many dang names going through the system right now, I can't keep them all straight. So I know the white one is Sugar, most likely, and the brown one, I want to say, is Cocoa. I can't remember though, so if Tanya tells me what it is, I'll put it on the screen and you guys will know. Okay, so the two newest babies, I'm pretty sure we're done for the season. I don't think York is pregnant. If she is, I mean, she doesn't even look pregnant, so I think she just got skipped. She's probably just playing hard to get, I don't know. So these two that I just showed you are going to be the last ones of the year, most likely. So we ended up with 8 girls and 6 boys. Pretty good season, I like that. That's great. That's a great turnaround for us. 8 new girls. I'll switch those girls here in a year to breed with, opposite of what their dad is. So if they were Megatron, like these two are Megatron, so here in about a year and a half or so, these two will breed with Chip. And then vice versa. If Chip was the dad of these babies, they'll turn around in a year and a half and breed with Megatron. They're cute. So let's take a look around the farm real quick, and I'll show you around. Let you look at all the other goats so you can see kind of how they're progressing. They're all healthy, they're all doing really, really well. So that's the same one I just got through showing you. That's one of Beauty's. That's one of the very first twins born on the farm out of Beauty. Samoa, Oreo. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we've got a storm brewing. We're supposed to have some really bad weather tomorrow. Tornadoes. Possible tornadoes. That right there is one of Samoa's boys. He has a sister, Coconut, and I'll show you Coconut here in a minute. There's Crybaby. What do you see, Jenny? What is it? Good job. Good job. Good job, girl. Yeah, good job. Good job. So there's Crybaby. That's a Cowboy's mama. Cowboy's way over there. I'll get to him. There's Beauty. Beauty's second second goat. That's the one with the wattles. He's an oldie already. So that's one of the cream colored ones. That's this cream colored one here is Bottle Cap's baby. That's Coconut, Samoa's baby. That is the brown and white girl. Her mother is Oreo. So there's Big Boy, there's Cowboy, and his mom Crybaby. And yes, he is huge. I do need to weigh him. Josh over at Baby Kiko said, I wonder what he weighs. I don't know, I need to weigh him. So those two girls, no, I'm sorry, that brown and white one's a boy. The black one running, that's Trixie. They're all running away from me. They're all gonna go out there in the pasture and eat. So Trixie, and that's her brother right there. Those are Snickerdoodles babies. And that's York right there in front of us. Not the little one, the bigger goat. That's York, and I just don't think she's pregnant. There's Miss Starlight. What do you think, Starlight? So Starlight, look at those two goats. They're about the same size. Starlight is right at 22 days old, 23 days old, and that other goat that was in front of her right there, that goat is probably about 40, 44 days old, I bet. Born February 24th, whatever that is. Golly, more than that, almost 50 days old. Crazy. So Starlight is doing well. What do you think, Silas, Jenny? Y'all doing good too? Yeah. I just gave you flea medication. Are they jumping off of you? Is that what it is? What about you, Elena? You doing good too? Yeah? Found you a cool spot, didn't you? Okay, y'all, that's gonna wrap this video up. Just a quick update on all the goats, plus adding in Cinnamon and her two babies. Both girls, we got lucky. Like I mentioned earlier, 8 girls, 6 boys. That's a great kidding season. I'd take those odds every time. A little more girls than boys. The 6 boys I'll be able to sell, recoup some of my money that I've put into the goats and put into some of the cows and things like that. And the 8 girls, of course, that's going to help me grow my herd. I want to get around 25 to 35 does on the property. My plans eventually are to make this 8-acre property, or 8-acre pasture over here on the other side where the cows are, turn that into goat pasture as well down the road. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button, leave us a comment, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, do the good.